What is blogging? Blogs are online websites created by people, where creators can share and create information. Creating a blog in today's digital age is intuitive, inexpensive, and doesn't require a ton of time. Some of the ways to turn blogging into an income include 1. Creating ads. 2. Affiliate links. 3. Selling products. And 4. Sell memberships. The best tactics for blogging are: have a content calendar, focus on quality over quantity, and lastly, identify the clients. Want to learn more about sales and marketing? Go to saleslovesmarketing.co.